What's up, good people, and welcome to another Morning Money Motivation. I hope you are doing extremely well, and if not, I hope that we can change that in the coming moments. Today we're going to hop right into some affirmations to help you get your mind and body moving together in a positive direction so that we can increase our chances of success in whatever we face today. Let's go. In this moment, I take control of my health, wealth, and freedom. I move with confidence and belief in my ability to succeed. I honor my mind and body by moving and thinking positive thoughts. I am worthy of the energy I dedicate to myself. Everything I put out, I gain back in abundance. I choose to make my health a priority for my total well-being. I give myself permission to prosper financially and emotionally. I'm showing up for myself today. I know that I don't have to be perfect. However, I will give my best effort. I am grateful for my health and the ability to improve it. I know that my actions will make a difference in my outcomes. I will take care of myself and treat my body and mind with love. I accept myself as I am and welcome the greatness to come. Thank you so much for sharing in this moment. I truly hope that it was helpful for someone. And until next time, I wish you health, wealth, and freedom.